The Baroque, art in motion and emotion. The Baroque period, spanning the 17th and early 18th centuries, was an era of dramatic, dynamic, and emotional art. Originating in Europe, it emerged as a response to the grandeur of the Renaissance and the spiritual intensity of the Counter-Reformation. Baroque art is characterized by its use of bold contrasts between light and shadow, intricate details, and a sense of movement that draws viewers into the scene. Renowned artists like Caravaggio and Bernini exemplified this style. Caravaggio's paintings, such as The Calling of St. Matthew, brought realism and dramatic lighting to biblical themes, while Bernini's sculptures, like the Ecstasy of St. Teresa, captured intense emotion and lifelike motion. The Baroque also extended to architecture, with grand designs like St. Peter's Basilica in Rome showcasing elaborate ornamentation and a theatrical sense of space. This era celebrated the power of art to inspire and stir the soul.